Hello friends, this is Monica here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we are going to learn about subject and predicate. Subject. Every sentence has two parts. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called the subject of the sentence. The subject in the sentence names whom or what the sentence is about. Let's see predicate. The part of the sentence which tells something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. Let's see examples of subject and predicate. First one, Rani was eating some fruits. In this sentence, Rani is the subject. The object answers the question, what or whom. We should remember that predicate contains verb and predicate tells something about the subject. So, here in the sentence, was eating some fruits is a predicate. Krishna shall play the game. In this sentence, Krishna is the subject and remaining part shall play the game is the predicate. Abraham Lincoln was a great president. In this sentence, Abraham Lincoln is a subject, was a great president is a predicate. Vamsi had been playing. In this sentence, Vamsi is the subject, had been playing is a predicate. Prasad told them a story. In this sentence, Prasad is the subject, told them a story is a predicate. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe.